What I want to do is run through this live trade with you on how to make it first safe. So you take your initials, so it's a risk-free trade, and then maximize your profits. So first of all, what we want to do is write down the current number of holders. So we've got holders are 750. Get a pen and paper and write that down. We've got the market cap of 750K as well. And then we've got the volume of 1 million. So those are all numbers that you want to remember right now, just as you've bought it or after you've bought it. So you want to be monitoring those numbers basically. So I called this in my group at 400K, which as you can see is, that range there is a level of support. And it's already done a 2x since my call. So what we're trying to do now is figure out when to get out. So after we've done a 2x, 100%, we can sell 50% of our position, and then we will have made our money back, and everything else is free money, okay? So, sorry, let me put this back in. Now, it's kind of in price discovery mode right now. The price is flying. We've got wicks going crazy. So it's struggling around this psychological 1 million barrier here, this line of resistance. So what we want to see, first of all, is a green candle to close above this line. And then we know that, the price is theoretically going to keep going. Now, what we also want to keep checking, look at the holders, 887. What did we just say? We said the holders were 750. So we've got 887 holders now. So there's more people getting interested in it, more people coming in. Look at the volume, 1.3 million. What did we just say? The volume was 1 million. So we've had a 33% increase in the volume. That's good. That's more people coming in. That's more money coming into the token. All of these are bullish signs that the price is going to continue to increase, okay? What we can do now, we can expect that people are going to sell around this 1 million market cap psychological level. So don't let the red candle alarm you. I wouldn't be panic selling at all. Remember, we've already sold 50% of our position. We've already made money if you sold around this price. If you put in 2 SOL, you've probably got 2.5 SOL back out. So you've got 0.5 SOL profit, and now you're holding on to the other 50% of your trade. And we're trying to decide what to do with that other 50%. What you could do, you could sell that 50% and then get out of this trade now, and then walk away with a cool 2x trade. But keeping on looking at this volume increasing, the number of holders currently holding that same 887, I'd suggest holding on for now. What we're trying to do is look for more areas of price support and price resistance to inform our future trading decisions. So now we can see the price is dropping off. If we go down to the 1 second price target, we can see it's starting to trend away from this level. But it's still staying, close enough to it. Volume is continuing to increase. Holders are staying the same. And the price is creeping back up closer to this 1 million market cap psychological level. So if we can reclaim this level, it's a very bullish sign. As I said, right now, I wouldn't be selling anything because, as we can see, we've still got this upward ladder, but it does depend on what happens now. Like we've got some price bounces here. The price was bouncing here. So this is just giving us ideas of areas and price ranges where there is selling and buying interest. So right now, there's a lot of purchasing interest around this level because price is bouncing off it. So hypothetically, we could use this, let's say 700K market cap level as an indicator. If the price drops below that and you want to take profit, you could sell and no one would blame you for that, because any area of price resistance or price support, and if it breaks those areas, it could suggest that the price is either going to go further down or further up. So in this case, we've got this support area. If the price goes below the support, it might be wise to take further profit. But until it does break this, I'd still stay in the trade. Now, again, we've got to be keeping our eye on those volumes and holders. The volume is keeping on increasing. When we first looked at the volume, it was 1 million. Then it was 1.3, now it's 1.6. Look at the holders, 887 still. Distribution is still good. Yeah, having a 5% holder isn't great. Now we've broken down underneath this level. If I were you, I'd be selling. Okay, so you never know. This coin from here, it might moon, increase volume, increased holder count. But I'm very happy with a 2x trade. So there we go. That's how to monitor price action and try and identify areas of where you can get out and where you can get into trades.